say hi. Okay, say bye-bye. Hold on, kid, but can we agree that this color is fake eating though? Like, I started my grad school application today, so. But anyway, while y'all really here, I've been waiting for this for so long, y'all. I made a big girl purchase today and I decided to treat myself, not only because the holidays is on its way, but because I'm just proud of myself for all the work I've been doing throughout this semester and the work I know that I'm going to complete in the future. So I rewarded myself and I got me a pink iPad. Y'all don't even know how long I wanted me a pink iPad for, and I finally got one. I don't only have this, but I ordered some products off of the TikTok shop. So we're gonna review the products because I wanna see what TikTok is really hitting for, because I'm seeing TikTok is getting advanced with their products. I ordered this pink case from the TikTok shop, but y'all, recently I've been on the TikTok shop and I just kept seeing this. An Apple Pencil, y'all. So I'm gonna review this and we're gonna see if it really works like a regular Apple Pencil, because after spending about $400 for an iPad, who wanna go spend an additional $100 for a pencil? This pencil was $3, y'all. $3. Let's get to the unboxing and let's review these products. This is so cute. We're gonna start her up and then we're gonna see if the Apple Dupe pencil work. Okay guys, so I just set up my iPad. Y'all, did y'all know that the iPad had like fingerprint touch like an iPhone? I didn't know that. I had to put my whole little scan on the top. That's cool. Okay. This is what it comes with. It comes with a charger and it comes with replacement stylus tips. It doesn't come with like a variety of them, if you know what I mean, because you know there's usually like a fine point, then maybe a thicker one. The pencil is pretty light, y'all. You can't lie, it does look like an Apple Pencil. What's this right here? Oh, that's the port where we charge it. So it is a USB-C. Just like a regular Apple Pencil. Fits right there, yeah. Hold on, it's supposed to be magnetic. Let's see if it's magnetic for real. On the side. Oh, it's magnetic. So now it's time to test it. This stylus pen doesn't have Bluetooth. So then how is it supposed to connect? Okay, there is a button on the top. Kind of hard to see it. That button right there, that's the button on top. So I guess we're gonna press it one time. And it did light. It's kind of hard for you guys to see a little bit, but can you guys see the little lights right there? It's like 3 little lights. So we're gonna see. Oh, wait. It's already connected. Oh. What? Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I understand now. I get it. It's not on, so it doesn't work right now. The Apple Pencil does not have any Bluetooth. So with one click button just like that, it can work. Amazing. I love it. The thing about this pencil is that it comes with a list of other iPads that you guys could use it with. 3 lights on indicates 60 to 100% power. That's available for 9 hours. You can use it for 9 hours. 2 lights on is like 20 to 59%. You can use it for 4 hours. And 1 light is 20% or under. You can use that for half of an hour. So it's like a phone basically. Y'all know how it be when your phone is on 20%. You done got long before you gotta charge it. I'm so happy that I made this purchase, guys. Like, I literally been wanting an iPad for the longest of time, but I literally wanted to purchase an iPad because the last time I had like a little situation with my computer, I was really worried about well, of course my schoolwork that was on there, but I was really worried about my videos, my past videos, and my future videos that I was gonna go to upload. So I feel like to prevent me from having like any type of technical issues, especially with like my content, I feel like I should have a separate device. I shouldn't be editing videos and stuff on the computer I use for school, especially because I'm about to go to grad school. You know, I'm gonna need my computer, and I just don't need my computer crashing no more. I don't need no more damage to it. So all future videos and stuff will be edited on this iPad. This is only for content purposes only. I'm not gonna FaceTime on here, I'm not gonna text on here. I turned the iMessage off, none of that. I'm really happy I made this purchase. I don't regret it. Anybody out there that's deciding on whether they should get an iPad or not, please go and do it. Save your money, guys. Go get you guys an Apple Pencil from the TikTok shop. It works just like a regular Apple Pencil, literally. Definitely gonna get you one of these, and go get you one of these too. Review for the iPad, I give it a 10 out of 10 for its purposes that I'm about to use it for. The case, I like the case. It's cute. The only thing I don't like about this case is that it's not one of those cases where, you know, you can prop it up. It's just a case. So I definitely should have got me a case I could prop up, but I thought this one did, unfortunately. Apple Pencil, I give it a 10 out of 10, honestly. If you don't want a white Apple Pencil because you feel like it's just plain and basic, you have a blue one, a black one, a purple one, so you don't have to get a white one, but I just wanted a white one, just because, I don't know. I'm about to go play with my iPad, guys. I've been waiting for this for so long, so yeah, I'm gonna go and do this.